Think they're gonna move that train?
Seems like a possibility. I'll be coming to see what like this emergency.
I got radio cars and every exit before the second to South Ferry.
Yes,